Welcome at Gann. My name is Gann and I have another portfolio update for you. Today it's all about the BRC Optimizer M600 and the corresponding monitoring system BRConnect with Gateway. With the M600, BRC has launched a new, more powerful optimizer with additional features. Like the M500, the M600 is designed to ensure maximum yield from the photovoltaic system. The new M600 has a maximum input power of 600 Watt. The rated current is 16 ampere and the short circuit current is 20 ampere. The BRC optimizers addresses issues like shading of modules, as well as varying module orientations and the inclinations. For this purpose, the M600 is used as a partial optimization only where it's truly needed. The M600 is installed easily via plug and play. In terms of efficiency, the optimizer scores with Ultra Fast MPPT tracking, featuring 20 times faster switching. Additionally, the standby function ensures that the M600 operates only when it's needed. The new monitoring system from BRC enables module-level monitoring. The app displays the current performance, the temperature and defects of the optimized modules. Communication occurs via power line, and module performance can be conveniently viewed through the Power Manager app or in the web version on the desktop. For communication, the BRConnect gateway must be attached on the inverter. Installation is convenient without additional plug connections. Data transmission works contactlessly via the tutorial course and the BRConnect. If I have piqued your interest and you want to learn more about the BRC Optimizer M600 and the associated gateway BRConnect, feel free to visit the Krannich webshop or contact your Krannich representative. Thank you for tuning in and see you next time.